Hi to everyone. This day I want to show you how to install a DSTV dish. When you are on at home, we'll see how to assemble, to track and to install the programs. Here is Harry 16M again, but today we are serious at this question of technology. So starting, you should have known what DSTV means: digital satellite TV, which is a sub-Saharan Africa direct broadcast satellite service owned by the MultiChoice. It said that until 1995 the company DSTV provided service to more than 11.9 million subscribers, so it's a big deal. Okay, now following the setup to follow up in order to install the satellite dish of DSTV. So these are the procedures. First of all, ensure that you have all the items for DSTV installation. That is, you have to have the HD or high definition decoder. This varies from time to time, also according to what you like. And also you have to have a 90 centimeter dish, satellite dish, a row of coaxial cable, and you should also prepare some necessary connectors like F connectors that will connect your TV, also be it will connect the endings of your cables to the decoder, and also to the decoder, and just to the low noise bar L and B. So here we go. The second thing is you should consider also the location. You have to choose the best location to mount your DSTV dish. The dish should be always face the east direction for better images. That is the direction of rising of the sun. So make sure that your dish faces the east direction. Make sure also that there is no obstacles around the dish, things like trees, walls, or even high tension electric wire, so that it cannot block the sign of your satellite dish. So right there, I think it is important also to know the parts of the satellite dish of the DSTV that you have. So just observe the image, and these are the parts, the important parts of the satellite dish. You see, there is a reflector bracket, mast bracket, a mast itself, tighten clamp, low noise bar arm, low noise bar F clamp holder, use screw rod, nut. These nuts are almost 11. Round head cap screw, anchor bolt, round head cap screw, of this different type size, washer, plastic expansion tubes, nut, hex head cross screw, and a nut. So this, as you have seen from the picture, you can see by yourself what you need to prepare so that you can mount your satellite dish. And also I will show you some important parts of the decoder. That is the box of DSTV decoder comes with a decoder itself, HDMI wire, or alternatively audio-visual wire, a remote control with the battery and the power plug. So these are the important parts that comes together with your decoder box. So this is about the parts of the components of your DSTV packet. So your DSTV can be mounted on building wall or on a dashboard. This helps the dish to be firm and thus not to be pushed down by breeze or rain or whatever else. So what you need to do is to fix the bracket and the pole on the wall as shown. You tight it so well so that nothing can shake it, even strong wind. Then attach the 90-degree assembled dish, as you can see from the picture. Next, attach your satellite finding meter, if you have any, to enable you to track a very high sign point. But even if you don't have the meter, don't worry, relax. What's important also, I'll show you how to detect the signs as you go inside the house and connect the DSTV decoder to the TV. Then you connect the cable to the dish, from the dish to the decoder, and then just see these components, how they are connected, as you can see here in this picture. So this TV decoder box, a HDMI wire, or you can alternatively use audio-visual wire, and your other things like remote control and the power plug supply. So you connect them properly as you have seen in the picture, fixing the coaxial cable with the F connector and attach it to the low noise bar. You make sure that you attach it with the input at the back of the decoder as shown below. Now the coaxial cable attached to the low noise bar LNB in this right position of the decoder should go outside through this wire to a fixed and be fixed at the low noise bar port, as you can see on the top face of the dish, while the HDMI cable will go to the TV. It will be connected to the TV HDMI port, or alternatively the audio visual wire respectively, and then the power cord going into the socket for power supply as shown below. And now power on the DSTV decoder. Power on the DSTV decoder. After connecting the power and you switch on the decoder, the first thing it will show, it will be this sign here. It will tell you to boot your TV. So after booting, you will see this first time installation wizard. This displays on your screen as shown. Follow the prompt message and continue with the installation. You have to choose the language, location using your DSTV remote, and make sure that you change this IS20 to E36B depending also on your location and then press OK to continue. Use your remote to select manual setup. Yeah, you select a manual setup, and this will take you to step 4 of 5. This one will show you the Turner 1 signal status, and Turner 2 signal status, as you can see here below. So the next step is go out and do your signal tracking with the dish itself. The Turner 1 and 2 will help you to know when exactly you have gotten the signal of the DSTV satellite. Raise and turn the knob of the satellite finder to number 5, moving your dish in, up and down directions. When you reach the signal point, the meter will sound very high. Then the values will increase from 5 to 10 and above. Anyway, if you don't have a meter, relax also, don't worry. The TV screen will be showing you the number of strings as shown here. When you are satisfied with the numbers of the strings, then you hold on where you are and you fixed up the dish. Otherwise, if you are still using the meter, the TV will be showing you this blue feed line as shown below, and then press OK to the remote control to make it decoder scan the channels as shown below. It will start showing channels, channel 100, which is a free channel, and then you can watch your other channel after paying the packets due to your capacity. So once again, thank you for your kindness. Don't forget, please, to subscribe, to comment, and also to like if you it has helped you at least. Thank you.
Like you, be strong to hold the powers of the sun. To dream